Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.